Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. For those of you who do not know me, I am Hayden Clark, and I am super stoked that you are here with me today. Today is a very exciting day. We are starting the Malibu Rebuild Series, this pile right here behind me. In this series, we're going to take this car from a non-running driving pile to a tire shredding Mustang slaying monster. But we're going to be smart about it because we don't have a lot of money, we don't have a lot of tools, we don't have a lot of time, and we don't have all the knowledge to do it all. But even though we are limited, we are still going to make this happen, I promise. In our first video, I talked about 4 steps to help us make real progress on our projects. The first step being setting time aside. Well, obviously we're out in the garage, so therefore we're making that happen right now. Step 2, we need to develop a game plan. But I also want to talk about an experience that I had personally with this car a few days ago that I think you guys will be able to relate to, and it may be able to help you guys as well. A few days ago, I came out in the garage and was looking at the car and thinking about what I wanted to do with it, trying to develop that game plan. Well, I stood out here and I was looking at the engine bay specifically and thinking, well, I want to put a big block in this car. So I come out here and I'm sitting here and I'm looking at it and I'm like, is it even going to fit? And then I started looking at it closer and I was like, well, that's broken. This is broken. I'm going to have to modify that. This is broken. And then I started looking at the car as a whole going, holy crap, how am I going to take this thing on? It's got rust in the roof over there. It's got rust in the floors inside. It needs an entire interior. It needs basically everything. And I started to just become so overwhelmed that I did not even want to work on the car. And I'm sure you guys have had that kind of an experience as well. That's what I want to help you guys avoid, because I know that this happens a lot and we need direction. So that's the purpose of pretty much my channel. But I also want to build cool stuff and share it with you guys and share my knowledge with you guys. So, having said that, let's talk about our game plan. My current game plan for this Malibu is fairly simple. All I want to do is make the car street legal. I want to get it running and driving, and I just want to do burnouts with it. That's it. First things first, this engine bay that actually started my whole, I can't do this. We need to clean it up and get it ready for our new power plant. So yeah, let's get started on this bad boy. Oh yeah, rusty cars. So, got that all up out of here. We're just gonna keep taking parts off this car, keep making space so we can see what we're working with, see what we need to replace on this car. We are victorious. Oh, bye. Oh, that doesn't sound very good. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Ouch. Woo. Oh my gosh. It turned a little. Oh. Oh, I got it. Owie. Ground strap there. Nice. Oh goodness. It's a 10. Go ahead and snip the wires because I already know we're going to replace this harness. Aha, I got it. Oh, it's so much easier when the clips are facing the right way. Oh, no. Alright. Turn, baby, turn. Oh, thank you. That one didn't fight nearly as hard. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Goodbye. Jerks. Woo! Got it. Cut that off. And horn. And horn. Okay. Serious? Oh, of course, it's not going to work. Everything that I don't want to break is going to break. Hey. There we go. Gently grab the collar here and give her a turn. And off she will come. This one looks like it goes into the car. All right. Oh, yeah, buddy. This one should go to the back of the transmission. Which the transmission is not like. So we'll just push those out of the way for a sec. Oh shoot. Of course, there's a ground strap. Hey, that was looser than I thought it was going to be. Haha, I got it. I'm victorious. Hey. Wiper motor is out. Woohoo! Okay, I think we'll just cut these off because you know what the heck. They're in the way. Just want to get this taken apart, and later down the road we'll find another way to route wires. Oh, success! Oh, look at that! Woohoo! Oh, let go! Let go! Let go, let go! Heck yeah, we are victorious! Oh, just like that. Got that done and out of the way. I think at this point, we're gonna end the video here. We'll pick it up, we'll pull out the rest of the wiring harness in the car. We'll get the harness that goes under the dash out from there. We'll pull it out from the dashboard, get the tail lights all undone. We'll get this car unwired, and then after that, I think what we'll do is we'll pull the front sheet metal off of this and clean up the frame rails and get this thing looking somewhat decent. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for joining me in this video today. We made a lot of progress, and I want to try and keep my videos somewhat short. Some may go longer, some may be shorter than this, but I want to keep them short so that you yourself can go out and start working on your projects as well, because that's really what it's about. Anyway, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one.